Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. In this video, we're going to talk about the weekly watch list for October 16th, 2022. We're going to talk about the crazy week we had the last couple days, huge up day, big down day, and where I see the market going, levels that should not break and things like that. But before we start, do me a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also comment and let me know how well you did this week with all the volatility and if you think we're going up or down. But let's jump right into this weekly watch list again for October 16th, 2022. So we're looking at the S&P 500 Emini futures right now. I did make a video yesterday that I released right at the market close about talking about a reversal, where I think the market's going, and I'm going to put a updated version right now on it of if this happens, then this happens, right? So because today there was some price action that was a little wonky that I really was not in love with. For a follow through, because I thought, hey, like everything that happened, there was a big volume, there was a divergence, there was a massive outside day, bullish engulfment at the lows, all these things. But then we come in today, and what's the S&P Emini futures do? They reverse and they come all the way back down. Now, in that video, I said you could sit there and be a buyer right around that 3,600 level if you want, right? Wait for a pullback to become a buyer. Now, here's the thing. We were in the waterfall, okay? Really, really important is we were in the waterfall. We took out the low, took out the high, right? Bullish engulfment. And then what happened is today we kind of went higher, right? Because we're now in a reverse waterfall, which is a bullish pattern, but we closed right at the lows, okay? If we take out today's lows or Friday's lows, okay, which is currently at the low was 35.91 in a quarter. If we take out those lows, we are now back in a bearish market because we'll be in a waterfall with making high and then a lower high. So just something to be aware of. If we also give up this entire move and take out these lows, I will tell you right now, I think we are going to 3,200. Okay, that's where I think we're going. We're probably going to go, and I will move this up right. If you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P E-mini trade zone levels, support, and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. To these lows right here, if we take out this current low right here, that will be very bearish for the market, in my opinion. And I know I said something yesterday, and somebody left a comment saying that I was bullish, I was bearish a couple of days ago, and then now I'm bearish, now I'm bullish, and flip-flopping. And it's not about being flip-floppy. with the stock market. Things happen that are out of my control, news events that could change something on a dime. And this is one of them. To be able to survive, you have to be able to change on the dime and change your bias from being bullish to bearish literally instantly, because if you don't, you will be stuck on the wrong side of the trade. Kind of like this bounce. Yeah, you're bullish. Okay, be bullish all day long. But the minute we took out this low, this candle took out that low, we were in a reverse waterfall. What happened? Stay bullish all day long, but guess what? The market went lower. You were dead wrong. You did not flip with the market. Okay? And that's one of the things I want to kind of get across is we're in high volatility. And I'm going to show you one other thing that I don't like about this market that I saw today that should have really taken the market or kind of is making me second guess that video of, okay, where am I missing something? Okay. And what that is this. It's the VIX. Look at the VIX. Okay. Massive up the down day, right? We fall, but then we kind of, and this is a daily chart, right? Okay, cool. We have that big down day and then and then a massive reversal on a Thursday, right? Okay, the VIX closed lower, but then what happened today? Dude, look where we are on the VIX. We're still at 32. No lie, we should be down here about 27 with a massive move like this. Okay? This massive move, we should have dropped hard on the VIX, on the rally up, right? And there's something in the VIX that's telling me and flashing massive red lights. Warning, warning, warning. Okay? Be careful. Something isn't right. Just like with the VIX, okay, I'm going to go back to the VIX. There was something telling me that as we were making new lows, the VIX wasn't making new lows. Why was that? What's going on here? There's something off with the VIX. And I saw it yesterday. I kind of want to see a follow through today of it. And I want to see the market, the VIX actually really come off. And it held up. We're still at 32. I mean, yesterday we were at a high of 34. Massive. There's some weird things going on. And this is one thing with this massive reversal. I am going to flip-flop. I have every right as a trader. So do you to be able to flip-flop as a trader. I'm sorry for this rant, but it's something that I want to be totally transparent with because I know I made that video yesterday. Am I second guessing making that video? Look, I threw myself out there to you guys and told you what I see, but guess what? Now I'm seeing something totally different. Okay, and literally the market, we should have seen follow through. We should have actually been up at this 3,800 level today, and for us to have a massive reversal all the way back down, be careful. That's all I'm saying. Okay, now we could go higher, but if we break below these lows, we're now in a waterfall, which is a bearish pattern. That's all I'm saying. Let the charts tell you what's going on too, right? And I get sentiment. We have the divergence. We have everything. But guess what? Sometimes you got to change things in a heartbeat. And that's where I'm at it. Yeah. So hopefully that helps, guys. Again, sorry for the rant. We'll blow through. But going into next week, I think if we take out these lows, we're probably going potentially lower. Maybe we pull back, retest, do a double bottom, and then go up. That's something that could happen. So this week, I'm going to really make no call. But I will say if we take out these lows, watch out below because guess what? We will keep making lower highs and lower lows. And I think we go to that 3,200, which would be probably right down onto this lower trend line. That's why I still have this trend line up for the last couple months. So hopefully that helps. NQ, NASDAQ, same thing, same pattern. Look at this. came down to our 127 almost. Everything's the same with the NASDAQ. That I just said with the ES, I'm not going to beat a dead horse. And then crude oil, we broke out, right? Kind of we're right in this line. If we kind of continue below these lows, we might come all the way down, and maybe they sell everything off. I'm not going to lie. We failed to the downside. We failed to the upside, right? Can't break out. If we come back, we're coming back down here. Market's going lower, and so on. So just in my opinion, BTC, Bitcoin had kind of broke down from made new lows on the what you call this, head and shoulders. We'll see if this reverses and takes that down to, there's, like I said, there are things that this is what happens in bear market rallies. Gold kind of goes down as we reverse lower, kind of making new lows. Again, this feels, as I'm going through these charts, and remember, I don't go through these until I make the video, so I give you guys my real time instant analysis of what I think the market's doing. Now that I'm seeing it down, it looks like everything wants to make new lows. AAPL, right? Look at Apple. Massive reversal. Hold it. Lower highs, lower lows. Be careful. We break. Everything closed at the lows. Next week may be an ugly week. That's all I'm going to say. Again, I'm really making no call for next week. I'm just kind of pointing out, be careful with this massive reversal that's going on. So, sorry for the long rant, but hopefully it helps. Like I said, the main nugget or takeaway from this would be when you sit there and you see something, and then, okay, cool, we have our opinion, we have our bias, and then if you see something, you better be able to flip in an instant and change it and go back the other way. Don't be afraid. This is what trading's all about. We're not in a trending market. We're in a volatility market, especially the last couple of days. Massive up, massive down, and we could see new lows coming, or we could see us reverse and then start to make higher highs and higher lows. So just keep that aware. Again, let me know if you guys like this rant today, and till next time, we'll talk to you soon.